All right, guys, I am going to make a quick tutorial of OWLS Capital. It's a very straightforward Discord, but I'm just going to make it anyways. The channels are pretty straightforward, but I'm just going to quickly talk about it. So this is disclaimer. This is where you can upgrade, where you can change your credit card, debit card, whatever the case may be. In the disclaimer channel, you just click this link and then you can fill out all your information. If you have any trouble with this, please contact Caven Raven, our customer support. Do not contact me. Do not contact any of our other analysts. We do not deal with that. Anything that has to do with customer support, please contact Caven. Rules, very straightforward. I'm not even going to go through these. You can read it on your own. Announcements, this is where we think that anything is important that doesn't want to get lost in the main chat. We post it in the announcements channel, pretty straightforward. Upgrade to save, if you want to upgrade to, let's say, a yearly membership, 6-month, or lifetime, you can go to this page and you can upgrade your membership and save some money. We have a referral program, an affiliate program. When you sign up and refer a friend, you'll receive 10% off of the membership on all payments. So as however many months they stay, you get 10% off each month that they stay. This is where you can join the premium chat, or we call it the VIP. We get the entries, exits, a lot of notable flow, 24/7 customer support, live voice chat, training courses, AI tools, one-on-one mentorships that Eva throws, and TT also has some ICT classes that he does separately as well. And then you have over 9 traders, and there's a lot more. I'm going to go through that. So you just click this link and get started from there. Free trading room. This is for any free members that want to talk about any certain stocks that they're looking at, whatever, questions that they have, whatever the case may be. Profits. This is where you can post your profits. You're never pressured to put it. It's just if you want to put it. It's just nice to see the members showing their success in the group, regardless if it's an alert from the admins or if it's your own trade. If you want to post it, you can post it. Copy our portfolio. This is for we're partnered with Dub. We have our own basket in Dub, and if you're interested in copying our long-term portfolios, you can download the app on your iOS device. You can search up Unusual, or NP has a basket and Prof has a basket as well. You can click that link. Free sports betting. We're not affiliated with this sports betting Discord group, but we have a close relationship with them. Wager Kings. They're free sports betting disc group. If you guys are interested in sports betting, highly recommend going to their channel or Discord. Now, this is the most important. This is where you make your money most of the time. This is the alert section. So any trade that the admins take is posted in these channels. So Prof and Keon, me and Prof, we'll put our alerts in this channel. It always looks like this. There's some explanation with the alert, the strike, the ticker, the expiration, the premium, and then a stop explanation. So same goes with basically all admins. I'm not gonna explain every single admin. They're very, very similar, just different, sometimes different trading styles, but it's very clear to read. NP is more focused on stocks, so he's probably the only one that's kind of different than us. I mean, he does do he sells puts or sells calls if he has to. AB, it's very, very easy to read. TT, very easy to read. So go through these, but these are the alerts. So this is where we do our buys, our sells, our stops. We tell you everything, right? Neil, REMS. And then long-term investments. So we'll have common stock plays that we think that are good for your long-term portfolio. So we'll just grab stock, buy. You don't have to buy it, but this is what we think is good to buy. So pro member chat, we got the trading floor. So anything that that has to do with trading, that's pretty self-explanatory. Notable flow. This is where we post any flow that we think is notable. We basically do the filtering for you instead of looking through your own flow. We post it all day from start to finish. So it's pretty, It's pretty clean. You get probably the cleanest flow out there. These are not alerts. You can use this as like a watch list, and if you're comfortable trading on your own, you can look at the flow and say, okay, yeah, this looks good to enter, and I'm going to enter it myself. You can always ask us if it's a good trade. You always ask questions, and you'll just go from there. Market tide. So Pro posts the market tide almost every hour. The net premium on calls, net premium on puts, basically how the market is doing based on options premium. Admin analysis, this is where we post the market recap. MP will post some analysis. Subrocks will post the Substack for QQQ and SPY levels. I'll post the open interest updates for the notable flow that we post. And also our Substack with the notable flow explanations. And we'll also put our charts and whatever else that we think is important to put in this channel. Volume spike alerts. This is a bot from Scripted Trading that we have. It basically shows when stocks are having insane amount of volume, either to the upside or downside. And if you're interested in this bot, we have a full explanation on how it works in the pinned messages. So if you want to read that, it is in the pinned messages. Member plays. This channel is for members who want to post their plays. You guys can talk about each other's trades and help each other out in making profits. Futures trading. Russ is a great futures trader that he posts his analysis in here. And if there's obviously any more analysis that you guys want to post, please do. Crypto talk. This is where everyone posts, about anything about crypto, anything that they're getting into, pretty self-explanatory, right? Alert bot setup. This is for specific bots that Bloomberg, thanks to Bloomberg, you can sign up for to get the alerts into your DMs. So if you sub to all, you get all the alerts into your DM. So that's why it's faster, whatever. Or you can sub to specific channels that you're more comfortable with, right? So all the instructions are here. Voice chat. We're on voice chat from market open to close, talking about, flow, trades, whatever the case may be. Now, we will never alert something in the voice chat and not post it in the alerts channel. That would never happen because that's not fair to the ones who are not in the voice chat. So we will never say that we're buying something in voice and not post it in the alert section. And I'll share my screen every day, me looking at flow or charts, whatever the case may be. Earnings report. This is very self-explanatory. Shows the earnings. Shout out to Scoops for posting this in this format. So we'll post all the earnings in here. Trading support. Self-explanatory. This is if you guys need anything, any help with anything as far as support, please post your questions in here so it doesn't get lost in the main chat. Risk management. Widow is a great admin to talk about risk management and helping you guys with that, part of your trading, right? Because risk management is probably the most important thing about trading. So yeah, if you guys need any help in that, please put your questions in here. Trading strategies. There's just a lot of strategies that we have posted throughout time. You guys can look through that. A lot of tools, a lot of education in here, as well as videos. I have a 1 hour long, nothing else but flow tutorial video that you guys can watch. And there's another video that, should you take this notable flow? But there's a lot more. There's a lot more videos posted in here that you guys can look at. Off topic chatter. Obviously, this is self-explanatory. Anything non-trading related, you guys can talk in here. Economic news. We have an unusual whales bot that will automatically post, news headlines that you guys can look at. Quant data, just more bots that you can use. You can just use a slash on your keyboard, and they'll just pop up different type of tools that you can pull up. You just a lot more bots. So this whole section is all bots. So yeah, that is basically it. I wanted to make this short and sweet. It's very self-explanatory. Again, if you need help with anything non-trading related, as far as like payments or something in that, please contact our customer support. Yeah, that's basically it. We'll see you in the Discord.